this mode, I can hear myself think. Now every day since I woke up, I can finally see.
Relationship focused questions.
Okay.
तो क्या आप रेडी हैं?
अगर जैसे बिजी हो एक दिन, जैसे अगर पूरे दिन बिजी हो ना, और अगर आपने पहले से अपने पार्टनर को रियश्योर कर दिया ना कि मैं बिजी हूँ, दैट्स अ ग्रीन फ्लैग इन माय ओपिनियन. दैट्स
reassurance.
Reassurance.
Reassurance बहुत जरूरी है.
बहुत
Like
जरूरी है.
reassurance handle disagreements in a relationship.
बेसिकली जिद्दी नहीं होना चाहिए और आपको ढीठ नहीं होना चाहिए.
नहीं होना चाहिए.
हाँ, लाइक बहुत men in particular, right? They often think that they're in the right. You know, they don't even bother listening to their girl. That's how it is.
Yeah,
That's how it is.
Yeah, that's,
You know, and I'm not saying you should, always, be like, yeah, it's my fault, but you should listen to them. That's what I think.
okay.
Prioritizing, buying her food, even in days when she doesn't feel pretty, and of course she might not listen to you, but at the end of the day, basically for me, words of reaffirmation. That's second, and number 3 and last one I'll say is physical touch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
20-30 minutes on call, that is quality time. Quality time could be, drinking chai together, that is quality time. या फिर playing a game together, that's also quality time. My opinion, relationship boring नहीं होनी चाहिए.
No, boring होनी नहीं चाहिए. मतलब अब जैसे LD आ जाए, ठीक है? So at a time, sometimes ऐसा लगता है कि अब थोड़ा, how to maintain that excitement.
Maintain that.
Respect mean to you in a relationship?
Respect, according to me, मेरे लिए it is the most important thing, because respect is the most important thing in my opinion, because अगर आप अपनी बंदी को respect नहीं करते हो, then people mostly think that अगर आप अपनी बंदी को बहुत चाहते हो, that's more than enough, but that's not true. अगर in a relationship, if the girl says that she feels respected, safe and loved, these 3 are the most important thing. So in my opinion, respecting your girl and making sure she feels respected is, for me anyways, the most important thing in a relationship.
Okay. So how important is emotional vulnerability to you in a relationship?
Elaborate.
Like, what about emotional intelligence? What is the context of it in a relationship according to you?
To me it is very important, because अगर जैसे कोई situation आई, a big situation in regards with your future and everything, right? I feel you need to have some level of emotional intelligence to understand that, and जैसे अगर कोई problem आई in a relationship, right? You need to have a good level of emotional intelligence to cope with it, to solve it. That's
So emotional intelligence is very important.
It is very
what
important.
if a guy is not emotionally intelligent, but he claims to say that he loves you? Red flag. No, but see, no red flag. Wait. But some people have this kind of personality where they're not that much emotional.
Yeah.
But if they're not emotionally intelligent, I mean that then they don't love you, or they can't love anyone, something like that, or should they work upon it?
See, it's both. Like, if a guy says that he is not emotionally, if the guy isn't emotionally intelligent but says he loves you, I mean, at the end of the day, it depends on what the guy does, his action, because लोग कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, बोलना is very easy, but अगर आप करके दिखाओगे, that's what matters, right?
Yeah, so efforts are everything. Efforts are everything in a relationship.
Yeah.
Okay. Would you ever go to couples therapy if needed?
I think it is very good for couples who don't see eye to eye, in my opinion. And to keep it very short and simple, I think it could,
Green flag guy questions.
Okay.
जो कि आप
कौन सा फ्लैग?
ये तो ग्रीन है ना, ग्रीन फ्लैग को तो बिठा रखा हमने. रेड फ्लैग से बात करेंगे हम रेड फ्लैग से बात ही नहीं करते हैं.
अच्छा.
So सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन आपका, what does masculinity mean to you?
It means making sure that your girl feels safe, heard, seen, and loved.
Hmm.
You know, that's all it means basically.
Okay. So how do you take care of your mental health?
I mean, honestly speaking, to be very honest, and I'm gonna be a little personal about this one. I feel like I am not doing okay, or you know, I just need my person, my girl. That's literally it. Because at the end of the day, I feel like everyone, like almost everyone, they have that special someone who they go to if they want to just escape from the world, or you know, if they have a lot of problems in their head, like they just want to speak with them, you know. So in my opinion, if अगर मेरी जैसे mental health low है, or if a day isn't going that well, right, I just have to speak with my girl, honestly speaking, and it genuinely helps me a lot, more than anything.
Okay. So what's something that you have unlearned that made you a better person?
But I mean, this is the first thing that's coming in my head. I would say I wasn't emotionally intelligent before, like
Okay.
at all. Yeah.
That much.
Yeah.
So what did you do that now you are emotional, that like you are now you are a green flag and you are saying that you are
I
not
don't
even
know
emotionally intelligent? अभी जैसे आपने बोला
हाँ।
कि आपको बिल्कुल भी इमोशनली इंटेलिजेंट मतलब आप नहीं थे पहले,
पहले नहीं
तो
था।
ऐसा क्या आपके अंदर डेवलप हुआ
Like
या
how
क्या
I
ऐसा
learned.
इंसिडेंट हुआ जो आपको इमोशनली इंटेलिजेंट अब आप इतने ज्यादा बन गए मतलब?
It's not from my situation. It
हाँ.
is honestly from situations I've seen. So whether it's my friends, whatever they've gone
दूसरों को
through.
देख
हाँ, exactly. Like my friends and their relationship issues. बहुत लोगों से मैंने situations देखी हैं, observe की हैं, and I've like जैसे कि to keep it a little, you know, simple, you know, like I had friends, you know, who didn't treat their girl as a guy should treat their girl, you know, they disrespected their girl and all that. So एक चीज़ उस वक्त मुझे रियलाइज हुई कि एक लड़की से आपको इज्जत से बात करनी चाहिए. Not that I never spoke with a girl, like I always spoke with a girl like with full respect, obviously, but I just feel like now I am much more mature and emotionally intelligent based on situations. which I've seen.
situations change.
Yeah.
So have you ever called out a friend for being disrespectful to someone?
Yeah. I did call out. I think it was college में था, and he was one of my friends. Okay, and he was basically disrespecting this other guy who was actually putting in efforts for his girl.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
He was like कि क्या ज़रूरत है इसकी वगैरह वगैरह, and I'm like, there's a reason why like he is in a relationship and this guy is not.
Okay.
So,
So एक क्वेश्चन इससे ये भी बनता है कि जैसे कि आप बहुत ज्यादा एफर्ट्स लगा रहे हो, तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि सामने वाला आपको फॉर ग्रांटेड ले ले, तो आपको कुछ ऐसा डर है आपके अंदर या लोगों को होना चाहिए ऐसा डर?
I feel like nobody should ever take anything for granted. Like if I'm speaking like relationship wise, right? Many people take the other person for granted. And I'm
that's what
saying
I'm
this, yeah, and I'm saying this like from a general point of view. So I don't think anyone should take anything for granted, in my opinion.
So what's your biggest ache in a person?
Biggest ache in a person. Ache is for me is when, you know, अगर मैं जैसे किसी से बात करूँ, okay, and the person is distracted, you know, in their own world. I don't like it. अगर आप यहाँ नहीं हो तो फिर क्यों बात कर रहे हो मुझसे?
Exactly. मतलब आपके what makes you feel most confident?
I know the person that I am. You know, I know the person that I am, and I know कि मेरी intention जो है is simply very pure. So like, let me take my relationship for example. I am very confident that, you know, inshallah, you know, we will end up together because I know I am willing to put in all the effort, and I know that even my girl is also willing to put in all the effort. So I am confident in particular about my relationship because I know we'll work it out. That's all.
Okay, so into you in a relationship.
It's मेरे लिए it is
ये इसमें कुछ है नहीं? अरे ये बस नाटक
ये पहले मुझे ऑन करो ना।
नाटक भी उसे भी करने दो।
मुझे भी नाटक।
अब ये बार-बार मैं क्यों करेंगे, मैं तो इसलिए नहीं कर रही हूँ।
Okay, fine.
छोटा वाला लिया ये मेन कैरेक्टर है
Okay,
ना,
okay.
यू एक्ट, तुम ये पकड़ लो इसका।
ओके फाइन, वो आप स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं।
और इसलिए सुनो, मैं तेज बोलूंगी, ये बहुत हल्के बोल रहा है, इसकी तरफ क्लोजअप रखो।
ठीक
मेरा बस सेंस लेना।
ठीक है ठीक है।
ओके ओके,
तुम लोगों की आवाज में दम नहीं है।
मैं चिल्ला के बोल रहा हूँ, एकदम चिल्ला के बोल रहा हूँ।
ओके,
ओके,
हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज इमोशनल वल्नरेबिलिटी टू यू?
एक मिनट पॉज, पिछला क्वेश्चन कहाँ गया?
रिस्पेक्ट वाला।
हाँ, respect वाला।
ये होस्ट भी बता रहे हैं।
ये तो बाकी में कंफ्यूजन है बाद में।
अब पब्लिक आएगी तो थोड़ा कुछ अच्छा लगेगा, ये तो और डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर रहा है। वही लगा दिया
हाय ओप्रमा।
So how do you handle pressure from society to act tough?
Honestly,
Yeah,
I
because we are used
don't.
to
Honestly, I don't care what the society wants me to do.
Okay.
Simple
Yeah, that's
as
great.
that.
That's great. Oh, what would you tell your younger self about love?
Don't be patient. Do not be in a rush.
Do not be in a rush. Okay.
If you in the word of Shahid Kapoor, don't do it, because pretty cliche, I know, but good things come to those who wait, and that's actually kind of true.
हमारा लास्ट राउंड आ रहा है और इसका नाम है क्विक फायर क्वेश्चंस।
Okay.
सो आपको जल्दी जल्दी जवाब देना है।
Okay.
बहुत ही इजी है वैसे, ये इतना कोई डरने की बात नहीं है।
Okay, I'll try. Okay.
ग्रीन फ्लैग और रेड फ्लैग, टेक्सटिंग बैक लेट।
Is there like a breathe option to call it?
No, this is the big option.
It's not a red flag. It's not a red flag.
Texting back late is not a red flag.
Yeah.
Like leaving on scene.
Like she says she's an overthinker, but I'm not responding.
Yeah.
The guy is a red flag.
Like you're avoiding that. Like
Avoiding that's
see,
red.
tag or a red flag for a guy to not
Red.
understand
Red,
this thing.
red, dark red, whatever. Red, dark red, whatever. Yeah. First date location. A place which includes her favorite food.
Okay, nice. 3 non-negotiables in a relationship.
Allowing me to do my love languages. You know, I guess let's say like if I want to buy something, you know, please allow me to buy it. Please allow me to buy you something because I love you. That's all. Yeah.
So आप you are in a long distance, right? So
Yeah.
आप क्या अपने हिसाब से टिप्स देना चाहेंगे कुछ, और या फिर क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि how you can make your relationship stronger and how to build more trust?
Just just reassure your girl. You know, if I have to tell a message to guys, you know, it would be
Please,
just
please.
to those who are particularly in a long distance. I would say that it will be worth the wait, in my opinion, because and you have to, if you're getting in a long distance, right, you have to understand what's coming with it. Like, जैसे कि you find a girl or you find or a guy, and you guys decide to do long distance. Okay, long distance mein it's like you need to do a lot of hard work. You know, it is not easy, you know, to be away from the person you love, and it takes a lot of trust, hard work, and you know, courage to, you know, not be able to see your loved one every day. So it requires a lot of hard work. But if I have to say in general, right, I would say to the guys that you always have to reassure your girl. Always. Girls, most women, they're overthinkers. Most of them, they will worry about the future. They will worry about, you know, why is it taking so long to text, you know. Just drop a message. It doesn't take too long, you know. Even if one thing which I've learned is that no one's ever that busy to text you. And if I'm ever that busy and I'm not able to speak with my girl, I will tell her in advance that I will be busy, so just letting you know. So communication.
Yeah, updates.
Yeah.
Giving updates is very
Giving
essential in a
updates, yeah.
NDR. Okay.
Yeah, and I would say that for women, they should not settle for less, and they should, obviously most men in general, they are trash. They are, and I know that because I've seen a lot of situations, a lot of them where men are the issue, and I don't blame the girl for leaving. So women should never settle for less. They should know their standard, and yeah, I mean, as long as the guy and girl are both with, as long as the guy and girl are willing to both work it out, it will go well. Yeah.